When you go shopping at the supermarket, you may notice many 3-liter spout pouch, such as liquid detergent bags with spout, which are equipped with a traditional perforated handle opposite the spout. In this article, we will provide a detailed introduction to this type of handle. Advantages. 1. Due to the weight of the product, a plastic perforated handle is designed for the stand pouches to facilitate consumer carrying. Additionally, the handle assists in pouring out the product when needed. 2. This type of plastic handle only requires the bag manufacturer to install a set of handle molds on the bag-making machine, and generally, they do not charge extra for this, although some non-professional spout bag manufacturers may do so. Disadvantages. This handle is only suitable for 3-liter spout pouch. As the weight approaches 3 kilograms, the stress point on the handle becomes more concentrated, making it susceptible to breakage when subjected to irregular forces, such as being hung on a hook or subjected to violent shaking. The traditional perforated handle serves as a convenient and cost-effective solution for carrying and pouring products from spout bags within the specified weight range. However, it is important to consider its limitations, particularly in relation to potential breakage under excessive force. Manufacturers and consumers alike should be mindful of these factors when utilizing this type of handle on 3-liter spout pouch. In conclusion, the traditional perforated handle offers practical benefits for consumers and manufacturers, but it is essential to use it within its specified limitations to ensure optimal functionality and durability.